This is one of the best natural remedies that exists. Just 1 tablespoon of this mixture will boost your immune system by 200%, reduce body inflammation and swelling, and protect you from a long list of diseases. Here's how you should prepare it. Slice a piece of ginger the size of your thumb. You can also use powdered ginger. Now, cut half a red onion. Each layer of the red onion contains a large amount of antioxidants called anthocyanins, which give it its characteristic color. We will also use 3 cloves of garlic. Slice them very thinly. Raw garlic will provide allicin, a sulfur compound with antimicrobial properties capable of reducing cholesterol and blood pressure. In a pot, place half a liter of water along with the ingredients we just cut. You should also add a teaspoon of turmeric and a pinch of black pepper. Cook on high heat until the mixture begins to boil. Now, strain the mixture. To enhance this mixture, you can add 2 limes or lemons cut into slices, and 3 tablespoons of honey. Mix well, and our recipe will be ready. How to take it. Taking 1 tablespoon of this mixture daily will supply your body with high levels of curcumin, gingerol, allicin, quercetin, and vitamin C. Once you start consuming it every day, you won't get sick anymore, as your immune system will be strengthened, and you will significantly reduce body inflammation, which will bring great benefits to your health and mood. If you liked this recipe, rate it from 1 to 10 in the comments. I wish you a long and healthy life. Thanks for your support, and I'll see you in the next video.